Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with some news about a new release coming to my creative time. It releases on Friday, October 28th, 8 a.m. Pacific time, which is also 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There is another awesome, beautiful gingerbread release dropping on Friday. Yay! Now I'm giving you a little sneak peek and also to let you know that there is a 15% off code that you can use the entire weekend all the way up till Sunday night, and the code is OCT 2022. And the best part about that 15% off, it applies site-wide for everything that's in stock, including these new goodies. And this is some of the new goodies, okay? So we're going to take a little quick sneak peek here. We're going to also talk about some of the back-in-stock stuff too. Part of this release, there is Ginger Chefs. So there's a Ginger Chef paper pack with these cute die cuts in there that you can cut out with the coordinating die here. That goes with the stamp set here. The stamp set, it's cookie season. Adorable. This comes with two gingers, a boy ginger, a girl ginger. And this is high quality photopolymer stamps. I already stamped out some of these, so I can tell you right now, stamps like a dream. Right here on the back, here's all the coordinating dies for this set. This will sell as a bundle. So there's no stamp and die. It's a stamp and die bundle, okay? It's cookie season. Love, love, love. Can you see yourself putting this on tags, cards, scrapbook layouts, mini albums, all sorts of projects, 3D projects, decorations, everything, because this is just way too cute. See, upside down. But let me turn him right side up. So adorable. All right, so let me give you a measurement on Cutie Patootie here. You're looking at 2 3/4 inch tall by, let's say, 2 1/8 of an inch wide. Adorable. So like I said, everything in here has a coordinating die, including the to and the from. Yeah, so you can definitely personalize. And again, Emma is using one of my favorite fonts. You see those little curly love, like the sugar and spice and the season. See that little love symbol right there? Or yeah, love sign. It's been a long day. Even the gingerbread has a love, and the cookies. This is just too cute, too cute. And look at the to and the from. This translate into, you know, all your crafty, bakey recipe. This could be great on a recipe cover for a booklet or a tag for a recipe. Oh, ideas, tons and tons of them. These two Cutie Patooties are already colored up and done, and I love that Emma gives us this option in the paper pad. Here, the paper pad, Ginger Chefs. Stamp and die is cookie season. I will link the general release on Friday morning, and then also I will link every individual item in the release. So here's a flip through. So cute with the hearts. This now coordinates with her tall tag dies, which she has in stock. You would use not the layering die, but the frame die, the outer die for it. But I'll go more into detail my review on Friday. Cute. Super cute. Look at the colorway. And I love all these great neutrals with the polka dots. Look at this dusty pink. Oh, so pretty. Pretty. Here, you use a coordinating die to cut this out. Then you use the mini tags to cut this out. That's in stock as well, and at a great price point. Here's some script. Love the hot pink. Here's some more gingers. There's a great colorway. It's almost like a, I don't know what I'd call this, like a tomato red, brick red, but not so brick. Really pretty colorway. And then there's the cover. Then it repeats itself, okay? So this paper pad, 6x6, 24 sheets, 4 each of 6 designs. So you get loads of repeating in here. I'm still getting another pad anyway because it's just too good. Too good. Next to the stamp and die, there's also coordinating dies. These are clothes for your gingerbread die sets. We have Ginger Boy and Ginger Girl, and that would be Ginger Accessories number 1 for Ginger Boy and Girl. This one is Ginger Accessory number 2, which is for the sweet gingerbread person, the bigger guy. So cute. It's roughly 3 inches tall, 2.5 inch wide. Super cute. So now you can dress your ginger. You can go straight gingerbread with the frosting and all the add-ons here. There's his face. Or you can now make him into a chef, just like this. Or girl chef. That's her apron. This now is the boy's jumper. So cute. There is a little mini ginger right there that you stick it. Okay, yes, I know. I got into baby voice, but it's just too cute. It's just too cute. And the chef's hat. And look at those utensils. Large and small. I love the mini. Now you can use that for a bunch of things, and I'm sure this is going to have a fantastic price point too. So this is just beyond adorable. And crafters, you can also see more in-depth sneak peeks on the My Creative Time YouTube channel, where you can watch Emma make. She made a project yesterday, and she also made a project today. She'll be making another one tomorrow. You also want to see more examples? Go to the My Creative Time blog. So I will put a link for her channel, and I'll also put a link for the My Creative Time blog. Okay? Alrighty, moving on. So last month's release was Gingerbread Kisses. Now it's Ginger Chefs. This sold out. This is now restocked. So you can get a pad of this too. The beautiful one with all of this goodness in great colorways. And its cutouts were the cups. I believe also this was sold out. This is now in stock as well. You Warm My Heart with the cup and the little gingy in the cup with the coordinating die, also sold as a bundle. So you can complete all your ginger goodness sets right here on Friday with that 15%. So you're looking at You Warm My Heart and It's Cookie Season, paper pads, Ginger Chefs, Gingerbread Kisses. Two separate, but boy, tons of fun. Here you see that lovely gingham colorway. Here you're seeing polka dots. Mix and match and have fun and play. So cute. And the cutter parts in there is this one, the cups. So that's back in stock. Also, pretty scallop ovals. This had sold out. It is now back in stock. And also pretty oval layers. These two work together. So both of them have a great price point. So you could add this to your cart in 15%. There is also from the previous release, there is the pretty scallop rectangles. Love, and a pretty scallop circle. So I'll put all of those on Friday in the list. This one has been sold out, restocked. Could be a great time to get it. These paper pads, fabulous, fabulous. So cute, and I love the option of cutting out all the cutie patooties. You see? So cute. So if you're in a pinch, you don't have time to color, you need a tag or something immediately or make a card really quick, and you don't have time for the stamp and die, you do have this option, okay? Or if you don't color, then maybe that's your option, but this is only available with the stamp set. So if you don't color, then you wouldn't do these two, but you could do everything else. These weren't that hard to color though. I mean, if you don't color with alcohol markers, there's also color pencils, watercolor, etc. Okay? There's always a way to work on your coloring. Always. And don't forget the die. And now we have ginger accessories. Alrighty, crafters. You'll see me again Friday morning, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And apply that 15% to everything in the store using OCT 2022. Happy ginger shopping. Bye.